Well, Hollingsworth Lake I've pulled up at, and it's a motorhomer.com event. I'm not allowed to film them, but there's the motorway, 150 foot above us. By all accounts there's some walks up there, but we'll go down there to the lakes, and I'll take the bike, and little Will on a bike as well, because we won't be going very fast. So anyway, we've arrived. What day is it today? Thursday, and it's midday, I think. So there's a few here anyway. Right. Where are we, Will?
We're at, what's it called, Hollingsworth Lake.
We're going to go to this pub here.
Yeah.
Just a sample one. You can't drive past a pub without sampling. But we'll end up in those white houses right over the far side there. Is another pub, and then the campsite is down over there. So that's where we'll be going. So we'll end up at that one. Yeah. But it's clear. I can't see no fish, but it's definitely clear. I don't like the look of those clouds. Yeah, I like it. It's peaceful. Very busy though. Very, very busy. People everywhere. The beach. What you got there, Will?
I got a pint of Guinness.
What have you got there?
Bye.
I'm on cider because they got no lager.
Oh.
That was a nice bike ride.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
I'm already knackered. Could do a bit of a pub crawl along here.
Well, we've run out of pubs now. This is the last pub on the trip.
Yeah.
There ain't no more pubs between here and the camp.
Oh, we've already passed a couple.
Yeah, we could have gone back. I can go back up. But you're buying the next 2 rounds. Nah, we go back to campsite then, won't we?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll be all over the road then.
we're at the wine press now. I won't be all over the road. You might be. We're at the wine press now.
You have to strap to the back of your pannier rack.
Where are you going to put your bike? Stop that, we throw it in the lake. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am off for a little wander around. And as you can see, we're at the rugby club. I'll look back, and there's quite a few of them here. Not a lot of them turned up. Right? They said they've had so many dropouts at the last minute, but there's still quite a few there. Still profitable, I think. But I'm just going to go up in here, and I missed it because 2 deer. There's a dog and a bloke over there, and they chased 2 deer out. They came over the top of the fence and ran down across the field, and I missed to catch it on camera. I tried, but I couldn't get it to turn on quick enough. So there are deer around here. Right. I don't know whether I should be doing this because I've only walked that distance. The two rugby fields distance, maybe 3. And I'm knackered already. And I don't know why I got a bloody woolly pulley on too. Well, it was cold first thing. Right. Anyway, catch you in a while. This hill. Can't hear the motorway at all. Brilliant. Right. Keep waddling up. They said if I stick to this one, it's a shallower climb. So I'll take their word for it and try it. That was one deer. Oh dear. He came from off the top of there. So the last thing I want to do is chase him out onto the motorway. There you go, I've walked a fair way now. And I'm right up by the motorway now. I haven't totally climbed that hill. As you see, it's right behind me. But I'm on this cliff edge. And I cannot see for the life of me where that deer went to. Not that I'm ever likely to. Yeah, look at it. It's beautiful. Right, I might go up on the edge of here and I'll stick the drone up so I can have a better look. Of course, I got it with me. Even this high up, they've abandoned rubbish. I haven't got a black bag with me, but you can now see the motorway, well above the motorway now, and I am at the top. But now you can see the motorway the other side of the bridge as well. See, I changed my mind. I said I'll come on up after I turn the camera off. Yeah. Let's see how close I can get to the motorway. You see the motorway go right up over the top there. M62. There's Rochdale. Well, that's Littleborough there. That's the lake we're on. Yeah, that's the junction you come off on. It's absolutely brill. I didn't think I'd ever get to the top of there. I'm glad I did now. I'm gonna suffer tonight. Yeah, junction 21, 1 mile away. There you go. And the night before last, you can see these pylons. Well, the second one isn't a pylon. That is the aerial that we were parked underneath. So it'll be junction 22. Is the one we came off on. So that's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And that wind is really high. You can see the bush moving around. It is a little bit too windy up here, I think, to put the drone up. I'm gonna have a go. Well, I've only got a little Mini 2, and even although they are pretty good at in the wind, I'm gonna go right to the edge of the cliff there and sit down and launch it on this side. Yeah, I'll go down there. Right. I'll see you when I got the drone up. Well, I've been sat here for the last 3/4 of an hour. I put the drone up, but then when I got the drone back down, I'm just sat here and I'm just admiring all this and the brilliant sunshine. Not a cloud in the sky. There's fair weather cloud, you know, mist, but it's mesmerising just watching the motorway. How the far side is empty now, the westbound one, and then all of a sudden there'll be hundreds on there, all looking to overtake each other. Yeah, it's mesmerising. But saying that white, oh no, there's a dose more coming now. I thought something had happened on the motorway that they'd all stopped. Right. Suppose I better waddle back down there. I never fetched anything to drink with me, and I am absolutely parched, dry throat. Right. I'll see you at the bottom. Worst part about it, it's going to be a good hour before I get down there, and it'll just be a split second for you. That just does not justify it on the camera. How high I am. I'm still higher than the motorway. I've just come down from right up there. There's a ridge going all the way out there, because I know it's as steep as this the other side, so I ain't going that way. But wow, what a phenomenal view. And of course I've got sunglasses on, so I haven't got a squint. But I'm not going to go that way. I'm going to go down this way, and there's a fair dip in the ground there, like as it got blew up. Right. I had to check to see if the camera was on, and I haven't since my leg's been gammy, I don't normally climb up hills like this, you know, and anywhere that I got to walk to, I just will not do. But I've thoroughly enjoyed coming up here. I know I'm going to suffer when I get back down, but it was absolutely beautiful. Now I can no longer hear that motorway. I mean, just look behind me. Look at that view I'm looking at as I'm going down. It's incredible. There is no other words to describe it. You got the lake over there, and if they think I'm walking to the pub tonight, that's about a mile away, mile and a half. I'll go on the bike, but I ain't bloody walking it. But hopefully the clubhouse on the rugby ground will be open tonight. Only I had a little bit too much at lunchtime yesterday, and I fell asleep early. Of course, I was up early then. So I'll be going, most probably leave going into the village and have a couple of pints in the clubhouse. There's some bluebells up here. Just 2 clumps of them. Nowhere else. No, absolutely nowhere else. Beautiful, really beautiful. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you again. Yeah, it will be seconds for you, a split second for you. But I got to try and get down this bloody. It's getting steeper, and I'll catch you down there, because I don't want to let you see me fall. Club rules are that we're not allowed to film people, but I'm well enough away now that you can't see registrations or people. So right up there I was. Well, you can see how high the bridge is. Beautiful, absolutely stunning.